Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Messenger. You can't message this account. If you are using Facebook Messenger and you are getting this type issue that whenever you try to send message to a person, you see a message or an issue like that, you can't send message this account. So basically it happens that when someone has been blocked you on your Messenger app, so if you're trying to send message to a person in which you are fixing this issue, so it means the person has been blocked you. So there's no any way to fix the issue. So if you want to message the person, so there's the only way. You just have to request the person to unblock you, or you can use a different account to send them a message. So there's no any other way to message him. So in this way you can easily fix if you're facing the issue that you can't message to this account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.